So first of all, you must know that speed is the measure of how fast something is moving. We find the speed, in fact the average speed, by dividing the total number of distance a particular object is covering by the time taken for that object to cover that particular distance. And the average speed will be measured by meters per second or kilometers per hour, considering the occasion. We measure the average speed by miles per hour even, but it is oftenly, we don't use it frequently because it is not a SI unit or a standard international unit for measuring speed. Now let's check out this example. Imagine yourself traveling in a bike for 600 meters and you achieved this distance in 60 seconds. But the question I'm asking you is, what is your average speed? Pause the video now and work out. So if you do the example, check whether your answer is correct once my answer is given. So first, check the units. It's in 600 meters and 60 seconds. So meters and seconds give you meters per second. This is easy for us. So average speed equals distance divided by time. So distance is 600 divided by time, 60. 600 divided by 60 give us 10 meters per second, which is your average speed. Next will be a short, a YT short will be coming up for you in 3 days time about displacement. So you can click right here if you need to know about the violin, and you can click right here if you need to know how planets travel around the sun or how objects travel around something else in a circle. So while clicking on those, enjoy them, and I'll see you next time.